So today I'm going to get started and make a really quick, cheap and easy all-purpose seasoning. It's only got 3 ingredients, it's really quick to put together, and you can make it in bulk and it'll last you a really long time. So what I've got here is some table salt. Now you can use kosher salt, sea salt, whatever you like. I'm just going to use table salt for today. I then have some garlic powder, black pepper, and all I need to do now is mix them all together and we're good to go. So I've got my salt, garlic powder, black pepper. I'll give them a quick mix with my whisk to get them all incorporated. And this all-purpose seasoning makes anything you put it on taste even more amazing. And I'm about to sneeze because all the pepper is coming up into my face. So it's really, really simple. I'm just going to make sure that it's all incorporated and that all the salt at the bottom has been mixed in properly. Now I've just made some roast vegetables and some roast chicken. The only thing that I added to the vegetables was a little bit of rosemary because I wanted to add that rosemary flavor to my roast vegetables, but even when you don't add that, it is delicious. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to funnel it into my jar. And this is an airtight container, so it will keep for months and months and months, if not years. I mean, you'll use it, but if you make a big batch of it, it will last you a while. And let's do a quick tidy up. There we go, and we're done. Quick and easy all-purpose seasoning mixed up in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and we're done. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and click that little notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.